Gonna end this off right now. Shuffle everything down, you know?
6 years old morning routine.
So yeah, right now, bringing Jamaica to school, gonna have to take a Uber.
Why?
Yeah, come. Come. Hurry up. Morning. Good morning. Morning. How are you? Go on over. Thank you. Hey. No school? Oh, I'm there, man. Can we turn back? Yeah.
Talking to me?
Yes, please. She just messaged me there's you can't turn in here. There's no school. Jesus Christ. Oh, this one?
There's no school today?
How are this one?
There's no school today?
No school today, bro. Just my luck. I'm in the car, man. I'll turn back now. It's okay. Alright, come on. Yeah, no school today, my guy. Yo. Holy. Guess I'm gonna just clean the car. Yeah, all the way down, yeah. I'll tell you when. Sorry. Thank you. Come to. Just it. Thank you. Have a good one.
Why?
Watch your step.
Yesterday I literally said I want 2 days. Remember yesterday I said I hope it's snow so I don't have to go back, so I don't have to go to school tomorrow. And oh my God, I answered my prayer.
Oh,
I wanted 2 days of no school, and that was great. He had
So you pray for God. Come. I walk around and said,
Oh,
jeez.
we play with the snow.
Look at
There's a lot here. So
look at this boy.
So we play with the snow because they're all dressed. Yeah.
Come around, Nessa.
So we play. So we make a snowman. We're all dressed.
Alright, so see the car. This is the car. Look at this.
Our car is the most.
They came and they clean out the back
Our car
and they
has
piled
the
up
most.
all the snow. Look at this.
Our car has the most.
Look at all that snow. I have a doctor's appointment right now, the dentist appointment. Don't go up, Mr. Youth. Yeah, look at this kid. So yeah. So
Yo,
I'm gonna
our
have to
car's
try and clean this car out right now.
Our car's floating in the sky.
Yeah, it's floating, alright. Look at this. His backpack, ready for school, no school. This car is buried, literally. I don't have a shovel to get myself out. So yeah, story of my life right now.
Whoosh, 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 whoosh. This is fun. I like the days when it's a lot of snow. And then I can like, I can like wipe off all the snow with my hand.
Look at this. This is on the window, you know. This is on the window. Look at this.
Daddy, can we make a snowman?
It's like a big ice block on the windows. Crazy, man.
Oh my gosh, you guys. Yo, look at.
I checked that from yesterday.
No, it tells you at 6
Look at
o'clock.
this. I'm in the same outfit because I wore it outside for like 5 minutes yesterday. I'm decided to listen. I'm gonna wear it again too.
But first of all,
So this outfit I bring bad luck or something.
you're talking like they know what's happening.
Huh?
Do you tell them what happened?
Did you record yesterday?
I'm telling you, like right now,
Yeah.
what's happening?
Yeah.
What's happening?
Record some we're not talk to me, record.
Oh,
Get
so
you're ready for school, make breakfast, packing lunch, everything.
listen.
In my prayer came true. No
School. Jameer said he was on school for the rest of the week. My mom just messaged me because I told her what happened. She was laughing. She's like, she was worried. She's gonna call me too because usually I'm the one that messages everybody and tells them about like school closures or anything in the news, right? She's like, oh my god, I hope she didn't get him ready and bring to school because, you know, when I messaged her, she's like, oh my god. But yeah.
But that's the thing, you know what now? This what happened right now? We don't own no shovel and the car blocking, so I have to go take a Uber again
To go to.
to go to my apartment.
Did you cancel it? So the guy got $5. You let him have the 22.
Yes, you know, I could cancel come there, I can't.
Yeah, you could have. He could have canceled it.
Huh?
He could have canceled it, but it's okay. He already started driving, you guys.
Yeah, then come on. I don't got a gas station in reach. You reach now.
Yeah, but whatever.
But in that wait and I snow there.
Yeah.
Because sometimes no Uber center.
No, the highway, they're saying they're closing the highways and stuff.
Yeah.
And my sister, she tried to go to work. She has to turn back. 1 second. It's still foggy, you guys. I don't know what. Did this drop in the water?
No, just cold.
Yeah, so this is the aftermath of school closure number 2.
Nice.
And I'm getting woken up my sleep to call an Uber.
I made this whole world get that nice snow day for 2 days. And I hope it gets for one more day. And then I get announced the next day.
So 4 days. You want 4 school days. 4 snow days.
Might as well just keep him.
That's what my mom was saying. My mom's like, the kids, they just might as well close it for the rest of the week.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Yeah, my car is caved in, you know? I can't even drive my car.
Yeah.
Can't move it. Alright, thank you very much. Alright, have a good one, eh?
It will open.
Oh, sorry. Drive safe.
Yeah, man, thank you.
Alright, you're welcome. Take care. Yeah. So, we're out here now. Try and get these braces up.
Hi there.
How are you?
Staff?
Pardon?
Are you staff, sir?
No, I have an appointment. By the clinic.
For a vaccine?
No, for dental.
Okay, no COVID symptoms, no recent contact with anyone with COVID?
No.
Great, thank you.
Alright, thank you. Have a good one. Alright. I'm wearing the same outfit, you know. You see that? Because I only put it on yesterday for 5 minutes. Best believe you're gonna see it today, you know? Think I'm a bit late for my appointment. At least I say maybe find some Jamaican time. I'm a bit late still, but you don't know the thing go. Up and away. Up. Free up the place. Up there. Up top. You got Taliban place in the daddy. Yeah, no man. Alright, you cannot use camera inside, but I'll show you what happens when I go in. But right now, yeah, broken. Lips look kind of choppy because outside cold, but yeah. I'm gonna go in and get this done up. You see me? Good girl, you know, cold on the floor. I get it up on the ground. Alright, we're out there now. I'm doing my grand shoe, you know. Yeah, so we're there.
Hi there.
Hello, good morning. I'm a bit late, got snow there.
No worries, can I get your name?
Morris.
Adrian?
Yes, please.
I'm just gonna ask you screening questions.
No.
Alrighty, and just so you know, you can't film in here.
Yeah, no,
Alright, and
no
I'll
worries.
be with you in a moment.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright, so can't film inside, so gonna head off. When I'm done, I'll get back in. As I said, it's right here. Yeah. Get everything fixed up and then I'll get back in. You see? Yeah. I like the Taliban look. One thing, man. Clap back in a few. Just got the braces in. When I get home, I'll give you a preview of what it looks like. But yeah, everything went well. They say everything is closing up very well, so that's a good sign. I need to go see if I can get myself a snow shovel because my car is still parked up. I had to take the Uber as you saw, so let's see if I can get myself my hands on a shovel. Yeah. Mall is empty right now. Too early, so the mall's empty. Woo-wee. People must salt up the place and all these things. The aftermath. Look at all of that. Look at all that. The salt truck is here. Alright. So right now I paid probably $30 already on Uber, and that's like gas in my car for a few days. So you know where I come from? I paid like 30 bucks in Uber already, because you saw where I went in the car for Jamir, and I'm keeping on my mask because it's cold. So where I went in the Uber for Jamir to bring him to school, no school. Alisa said she forgot to check, even though I could have checked myself as well, but because she usually check those stuff, so I didn't think I should have, you know. But yeah, you live and you learn, right? So just got my braces done. Yeah, got new colors. I had red before, I got some green, and they gave me the chain because they're saying, listen, we need to tighten up these gaps and you're coming along great. And I got a little bit of green with the black. Jamaican color, you know. I have to stop at the stop sign when you're walking, right? But yeah, brother, you know, stop. I'm out here right now and I'm gonna walk over to the store. Not gonna jump in an Uber for every little thing. I'm used to being on these two Mercedes Benz. And yeah, so I'm just gonna walk to the store right now. It's about a 5-minute walk. And I'm gonna try and get myself a shovel for this snow, because right now the landlord usually, no, I never had one. They usually clean up, but the snow is so bad. It's the worst I've seen the snow since I've lived at that apartment. So now I need to most definitely get a snow shovel for myself, because that car needs it right now. So once I get in the store, I'll link up back, because my hands, I forgot my gloves and the hands are freezing, so I'll check back in. See it? Give you a rundown of what outside looks like. Look at those heaps of snows. Trust me, it looks like a little bit, but if you're in person, you'll realize what I'm showing you. See if we can trot it across, follow this person's footstep, so it's not as bad for me, you know. Yeah, rules of the snow, people. Follow someone track. Yeah. Look at that. Heaps of snow, my guy. Look at that over there. Heaps. Alright, I'm going to Canadian Tire to go and grab a snow shovel. I'll clock back in. Just got myself one of those snow scoops. I'm gonna go home right now. I have a broom upstairs, outside broom for the balcony. I'm gonna use that on the car. So we're gonna get this car shuffled out because I just booked my Uber to come pick me up and I'm almost at $50 in Uber fees since this morning. That's ridiculous. That's like gas for an entire week, you know? I mean, it's not ridiculous for the person who are making the money, especially now in the snow. But for me, that's like gas for the week, you know? Because I hardly ever go anywhere. That's why I have to appreciate when you have a car, right? So just waiting on this Uber. I'm gonna go in, get this car cleaned off because I need to run a few errands this week. Still need to go and get my glasses back and stuff like that. So I definitely need the car and it's caved in right now. Someone on my TikTok commented and said that's not a car, that's a snowmobile. So that's what I have. I'm gonna clean off my snowmobile and turn it back into a car right now. Just waiting on this Uber right now. You see it? So a friend of mine suggested that I should buy a snow blower. Snow blower? Oh man. That's for when I own my own house, you know? A snow blower right now is like $1,000 for the ones that look like a lawnmower. And the little handheld electric ones are almost $200. So I'm like, nah, I'll wait, you know? I'll wait until I own a house. You see? Because plus my car never really get this much snow on it before. But I didn't move it before the snowstorm and I didn't move it after. So hence I'm caved in. So let's go clean up and I'll show you the process of that. I don't have any gloves on, so I need to go home and get some gloves, right? Gonna end this off right now. Shuffle everything down, you know? Yeah. Let's go. And that concludes